Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This is a Corsa. Very nice car, very low mileage, 11 plates, 1.2 limited edition. So this has got the sportier suspension. It's got the blacked out wheels, privacy glass, black roof. Very nice car. Previously supplied by ourselves. Previous to that it was one owner, one lady owner. Very nice car. 52,000 miles. And it has recently been serviced. It will come with a new MOT, and it is really clean. Lovely inside. It's got the yellow piping, the yellow stitching in the trim. So this one's got aircon. It's got cruise control. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It is a nice spec. So if you're a new driver, might well suit you this one. Insurance group 7, £165 a year to tax. And it does drive really well. So more pictures on the website, it's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.